Have you ever had this happen to your air compressor hose? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Stay tuned. Okay, how to fix your air hose. First step, cut out the bad spot. There's a bubble right here. I don't know if a razor blade will work, but it's gonna. Alright. This is the bad chunk. Oh, actually the first step is make sure the air compressor is either drained or remove the hose from the compressor. Okay. Then you get your good old Harbor Freight fix. I think this is like $4. My local Harbor Freight. $4.27 with tax. I think that's pretty cheap as compared to a new air hose. So get out of the package. It comes with this piece, which I don't need. The only pieces we need are the two hose clamps and this in between. This is one head of the hose that go on here, the other one go on here. Well, don't forget to put your washers on first, or your clamps. Put one end in like so. Get your other piece of air hose, shove that in there. Oh, don't forget your clamp. Then shove that in there. Actually, I'm gonna cut that straighter. No, I'm not. I think it'll be okay. Then you take your screwdriver, or a nut driver with a 6mm on it. Snug it down. Snug the other one down, and then I'll turn the compressor back on here in just a minute. Hopefully you have no leaks. Wish I had made that straighter. That should be good. Get as tight as you can, because it's going to be under a lot of pressure. Plus these are barred, so I don't think it can pull out. I'm sure something stupid can happen, and it will. And get your electrical tape after you find the end. I'm only using the electrical tape as like a protector, so I don't get sliced and diced by these hose clamps. And we just tape it up till everything's covered. Okay, as you can hear, nothing, so great. Job easy, fix, a couple minutes. I think there's like little, like a tire reinforcement. Let's see if we can cut this open without cutting our hand open. No, I don't see nothing. Who knows? But that's it. Job well done. See you next video.